Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you can delete games and applications for the PS5, and this is for beginners. So basically it is very simple. There are two main methods to do this, two main ways to do this. First one is just go to the application or the game you want to get deleted. Just click on the options button on your controller. It's right next to the triangle. Click on it and it will say delete right here. From here you can go ahead and delete the game. And then another method you guys can do is go to your game library. It should be all the way on the right, and then under installed you're going to go to the game again you want to delete, and then you're going to click on the options button on the controller again and it will say delete, and then you can go ahead and delete the game from here. These are the two easiest ways to delete the game. And yeah, so once you do it you can reinstall it. I believe if you go back to game library and then you go to your collection, it will allow you to reinstall the game. Other than that, you should be good to go. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.